really sincerely apologize.
From the bottom of my heart,
come start off the video, come try to turn it through.
Ostracize, alienate.
Help! We help! Come in!
ready? Ready? Hey, ready, 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 ready. Hey, 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 hey. Not so, you want all, nice, hey, you want all, not so, hey, you want all, not so, not so, not so, not so, not so.
This is Duttyberry and welcome to a brand new top 11 social media countdown. So let's get right into it.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you for tuning to the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn name. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me, how what happening of the week, yo, just tune in, zine.
Number 12, Kitty versus Nikki Chromaz. Me gon' go ranga gang. You know, so we go through the whole, you know, Rona situation. So, you know, Nikki Chromaz took to social media now, I guess, to just like talk the things them. Alright, so if you do not know who Nikki Chromaz is a dancehall social media personality. She's in the dancehall space. She's a dancer. She one of them look at girl there, you know, like she do her little bleachings and things, and you know, look excitement there, and you know, people know her in the streets. And during one of her social media lives, she said this.
Let's say I'm in the government, you know. Me, one case, if one case of corona come in my country, that are dead.
Oh wow, my word, my sentence, my paragraph, like, oh my god, the ignorance. So, anywho, so right there and then, it looked like said the word got round to Miss Kitty, and Miss Kitty come on her radio show and decided to just share 2 cents.
Me telling you all the while, I'm afraid of dunce people, and these are the things. And you see, sometimes the internet too is a host for a lot of the warmongers or the bullies, the internet bullies, and you know, me not care about them. Cause I said a lot of these people on this internet here, me tell you, say them nudge my teeth. Them hurt my soul, because a lot of them have absolutely no brain cell whatsoever, and no insight and no thought whatsoever, because they just want likes and they just want the clicks and they just want the shares and the retweets. And okay, first of all, what kind of idiocy, what kind of inhumane line of argument is that? I have not verified the video for myself, or you know, authenticated it or looked at it or anything like that, and that is why I'm not even going to refer to the individual. But I'm just saying to persons who are living threats against or recommending death to persons who have been infected with the virus, might I remind you that nobody goes and pick up sickness and put it upon themselves. We have to be very careful about the messages that we disseminate, the things we sometimes unwittingly or unknowingly incite. And you never know when it can happen to you or a loved one. So we have to be careful of the pronouncements that we make. So to advocate or even mention something like that, it just shows you the type of scoundrel and scum that people can be. How could you even say that's not even funny? And even if it's funny in your empty head, make it stay there.
Oh wow, yes, Miss Kitty, Jesus. So in the middle of all of this now, it looked like said the word go back to Nikki Chromaz now. Nikki Chromaz never take too kindly to that now, and she opted to go and I guess make an attempt to dun Miss Kitty.
Yeah? So she come and share all these big words and all these this and that. Me not try to fight and twist it up a block. No bitch now make me sit down on Google for find out what she say. At the end of the day, I shouldn't even take none of this offensive because the hottest thing I don't understand one block. What she say? So I should take none of it offensive. I am so wrong for even argue. Because at the end of the day, me not understand what this all foul I say. And no fun of the no neither. My entitled to say anything what I want to say. Me a big man. And me a pay my own bills and my man not pay it. And I be a deal with everything for myself. So a big blood on my wheel can't come to me. A big blow up water bed can't stop with me. So you can come, you can use all your big words and when you go up a radio show. Remember my tell you this. So you go and go up a radio show and show me come live. Me and you go check with the same blood views. Remember I tell you, and me I go do it for months, years, anytime. Me and you, I go at it. Me not ask you, we fully done and happy. Yeah, outside, in the girl them outside. That must say.
Okay, I mean, the whole of that could have really stayed because I really would have loved if Nikki Chromaz was able to like debate Miss Kitty on her point. Let's just say if that is the view that Nikki believes that people who have the Rona, them supposed to get execution and all of them because something there, would actually be open if she actually be able to articulate her reasoning, and maybe there would have been some logic in there, but instead she did the very pleb thing to do, which is to just like, you know, do some little low punches. Oh, me look better than you, babe, kind of look good and me look good. I mean, sure, if you're up on a little lane and you cuss out, that would have given you some bonus points, but for a situation like this, I really wish I should have come out, and if that you feel like, you know, defend your points them, argue and say, yo, all if I me have it, mood literally go do the same thing and just take myself out of the earth too. Like, I don't want her to argue her point instead of go through, because all it did in the end was to signal to people that maybe Kitty was onto something with her statements. You get me? And that is all I forgot to say about, you know, everybody have their own opinion and their own matter. Let me know, are you Team Kitty, are you Team Nikki Chromaz? Sound off below. I will just leave you with this statement from Jesus Amanda Seals. I'll leave you with that.
I think that we have started like assigning way too much value to like things people say that have never said valuable things.
Number 11, Jada versus Shenseea. Me immaturity. So dancehall pop stars, dancehall artists, Shenseea and Jada Kingdom seem as if they are back at it again. No, you must know Shenseea now, she have her #1 trending video that is basically called Side Chicks, where she is talking about the experiences, the life of a side chick. I know some people don't really like it. Some people just think that she's supposed to talk about a different subject matter, but I think it's okay.
This is the original side chick song. Be open up my feelings for your next girl, man. Me know it wrong, but it never plan.
Since then, it looked like said that never really sit too well with Jada Kingdom, and Jada Kingdom posted a bomb-ass picture to her IG with the caption, "Just be excited, AF, to be a side piece, LMFAO, okay, coleslaw." No, you know, so from that post, everybody knows that Shenseea, she a throw word pan. Like, she even tagged the location of the picture as wife material. So then Shenseea clapped back by saying, "Anything referring to the Shen trend. We know this needs some crumbs for the bird. Keep alive since you can't survive on your own. Mad the girl, hear that? I forgot pay me for promotion." So then Jada clapped back at the clapback and said, "But that's the problem I have with you. You know, pull up, but you wanna play cute on the media, ellipsis, like you're better than anyone. Your lifestyle is fake. People in your circle talk. All I wanna fake." So, whew, times like this, we need Sting for comeback. Like, honestly, like, we need Sting for comeback. Them just need for us get it out of them system, and them can move on peaceful and live together.
This is not my style and I saw me time.
your boy. But anyway, let me know, people. Are you Team Shenseea on this one? Are you Team Jada Kingdom? Sound off below. Number 10, morning prank. My word, my sentence. So I do not know if you saw this video recently. I did book it up on Twitter. No, there is a social media influencer, and what him do, him always go all of the mall them, all of the supermarket them, anywhere that people go and shop. He goes there and him basically do some little pranks. Him annoy them, you know. And for the most part, they are usually funny. Now, this time, he decided to go to a store and walk around and badger the residents them in a very interesting sort of way. He decided to step to them and moan, you know, like them, right in them ears, right next to them ear stemple. Pray.
Do I know you? Huh? Do I know you? What did that mean?
Excuse me? Huh? What?
Just grab.
What happened?
I don't know.
That was awkward.
Hey man, what's wrong with you?
Oh, okay. But you know what make it more interesting is when him buck up on somebody with a certain Caribbean flavor. Take a look.
Yo, oh, you're not me or something there. You what? We are dealing.
Why the box with Jamaican people stay so? Jamaican people stand out anywhere them go. It's like if everybody react in a particular way, Jamaica have to just go one step above them. You know, boy oh boy. What you thought about this video? Burrito, sound off below. Number 9, stay-at-home challenge. Me go have a note. So, this stay-at-home challenge now, I guess it started out because people just now have nothing to do at them yard. Practically, since COVID-19 has become a thing, people are struggling, trying to find out how can they find new ways of entertaining themselves. If you go on Instagram, there is a bag of people going on live, left, right, and center, every hour on the hour. And if you go on Twitter, people are keep dance, big power online, all kind of festivities, just so them don't feel as bored. Now, this one of the challenge them now utilizes the very scarce thing that is called what you call it, a roll of tissue, and you use it like say you juggle like a football. And since Leon Bailey, several other celebrities running on this challenge like Alright, so now that everybody are doing the stay-at-home challenge, I feel like more want to try it. Like, you know, I not say me are the most talented or gifted when it comes to, you know, soccer, but I'm gonna try. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, boom. Alright, well, whew, let me just stick to what I can do, yeah? Let me know what you thought of this stay-at-home challenge and did you try it? Sound off in the comments.
Say, dear Grandma, happy birthday to you.
Well, thank you very much. I hope this is my last.
Would you like me to bring the cake?
Number 8, Bull Bear Cry. Me wawa. You know, so the first COVID case came from Bull Bay. One lady was to travel from the UK for come at the funeral. You don't know the strips. And since then, Bull Bay kind of under strict government. You can't just walk in and walk out as you like. Them have checkpoints. You basically have to talk to the security personnel that is there to make them know your whereabouts and all of them strips there. So in the middle of that now, I guess some of the people them are not able to like leave their homes, leave their community to go and access food. And this woman decided say she is going to, you know, make her plea to the nation in a similar Rosie Tottigrand style. Take a look.
You know, we're out of food. The soldier and the police them lock we down in here. We cannot come out to get nothing for the kids them. We not see nobody come deliver no food. If we not have it so we have corona, come test we, make we get a release. Me need release. I'm bad from my heart. I'm hungry. Me sorry say I live in my house no there. This year my fridge empty. Not even water we not have. And them have we in here lock up. What we lock up for? For that we hungry. This come like on a corona go kill we. I'm hungry. Look how my mouth lip dry. Wanna do something for we. Come test we and make we start get something to eat. Eh? This not happy. We not happy. The people them afraid of them one another. We are run from one another. Man are run from woman. Pitney are run from pitney. So why do you know want to come test?
Oh gosh man, G's and P, when you listen to that woman's speech there, you hear our concern, you hear our heart. And a bunch of people started to share the video, retweet the video all about the place. And it looked as if the information reached the government and they went to Bull Bay and decided so they're going to offer up some care packages with one bag of thing food and island them look at something there. Pre?
Yeah, everybody local. Ministry of Labour carry food come give it. Even though I have to stand up and wait in the sun from in the morning, I'm grateful for it. See, let me get my...
That is all good and well, but one of my biggest concerns is just that a lot of people are going to be out of jobs. A lot of people are not going to be, you know, like have them stable source of income. And how they going to survive? How will they be able to like pay the bills? Then we are talking about the rent, we are talking about the light, we are talking about the internet. All of these things now, like, interesting times here, people. Whew. Number 7, Montague and half a tree. Minister Robert Montague dropped this video on social media recently, and trust me people, I was very surprised. Me, honestly, sometimes I think about the JLP, I feel like say Ole Andrew and Christopher Tufton. And so when I see the other people, them is like me, I say, oh, them did it too. Jesus, people. So he dropped this video basically to educate the masses on how they should operate when they are taking, you know, taxis.
Passenger, a little hand sanitizer for you. Strap in, please.
So you're doing the right thing, driver.
Minister, it's you? Welcome aboard, man.
Thank you very much, man. The public passenger transport sector is that body that can help stop the transmission. And we can do it in some simple steps. Disinfect your vehicle very often by spray or using wipes. Sanitize your hands or wash with soap and do it often. Advise your passengers to cover their mouth and nose if they are coughing or sneezing. Stay away from persons with flu-like symptoms. And if you are sick, stay at home. You know, driver, together we can conquer this. The public passenger industry can help to stop the spread of this virus if we just cooperate.
Yes, Minister, we just need all hands on board.
And talk truth, him acting down bad, no bad to bad. Him could get a role in a royal palm estate back in the day. Number 6, Canada Family Feud. Miss Steve Harvey. So this Family Feud is from Canada now, and it never have Steve Harvey, although it would be cool. But you know, if you don't know the show, it's a show where you have two families competing against each other. So, anywho, so on this recent episode from the Canadian Family Feud, they featured a Jamaican family. Can you imagine if they did a Jamaican Family Feud in Jamaica? Jamaican families like uptown and downtown. Do you know how entertaining that would be? And if them go on, if that actually happens, I'd love to host it. As a matter of fact, I think I should actually try that. Anybody? Any sponsors out there? You want to let's get the show started? Let me know what you thought of the Team Burrito sound off below. Number 5, whining nose. My word, my sentence, my paragraph. So I mocked up this video on Twitter because Twitter always have the like viral moments them as well. So I mocked up this video now, and I guess it take place at one dance, and clearly it has to be pre-COVID because one man and one woman they did get very close to each other. But in the middle of the whining, the girl spot a little thing what she never really like and pre. Oh wow, Jesus, wow. No, me feel shame for the brother. Like the brother did do some foot something in my put in waistline and all kind of thing, you know, like when you try to mix around syrup. And them levels are, you know, when you carry on soup, and them levels their movement that the brother doing, and the girl, she never want no waistline, 100 stab she want. And God alone know what exactly came out of her mouth as she walk off. Maybe we can try to break it down. Let's see if we can slow motion and somebody leave in the comments what them things she say. Because I know I'm not nice. And so on Twitter, people were having a debate. Some people are saying women don't know what they want because when they give them the Marvin the Beast type of settings and drag out them ear and give them the 100 stab, them complain. And when you try to give them like a waistline, them still a complain now. So we do not know where this stands on the debate, but let me know. Do you think that the girl did in all rights for kind of walk away because the brother did do too much? Sound off below. Number 4, Corona song. Me cough and sneeze. No, boy, oh boy, I could have literally do a whole playlist right now with the heap of songs that may come out because of this whole Corona thing. But I think I'm just like, just play a couple of them so you can see what's going out there.
Even though
Call Corona. Call it. Call Corona.
So you had the influencers who did Corona songs.
You feel like you want cough, keep it to yourself. You feel like you want sneeze, keep it.
Corona is a crisis. Jamaica, we can fight this. The answer you get.
Me can't come out of my yard cause of you. Nothing ever tie me down like you do.
You have artists doing Corona songs.
Yeah, we don't want the Corona. Corona, first time and the Bunya, last time and the Ebola.
The rest them make in a lab. The killer, the walla we like them a got them no keep.
2020 Corona the road, half our sneeze, you're there on your own. 2020 Corona the road, quarantine locked down in your home. You know.
But the one I think me actually, separate and apart, just find really interesting is this one that that was done to Governor's song.
Hello, good night.
Yo, me talk to Zig V there.
Hello?
Yo, me talk to Zig V there.
You want to talk to who?
Sorry, me G, I must see the wrong number this.
No a Zig V number man, but a Corona this.
Oh, why go on Corona? Where the pan? Why pre?
Yo, me there watch them myself on me on the TV. The expose right now that I'm a key, but which country this? You know the on the caller ID.
The country where them run out of the toilet paper.
Me don't know who that.
Jamaica.
Bombard, what one JA. You know how long I want come your way. From where China me a travel for a couple days. So tell me where the pan, you worry or you pray.
So let me know, Burritos, are you familiar with any one of these Corona songs? Which one was your favorite? Sound off below. Number 3, Elirona, Miss Kube, away! So, dancehall artist Elephant Man got into troubles with the government people. Yes, sir. So, say, the other day, Elephant Man have been traveling in a tour since him find it. And he's just been all over Europe now, on him tour. No, he recently, Jim screeched him way, and come back to the island now. And, when him come back, apparently, him never declare all of the countries that he actually visited. Him only mentioned the last country that he stayed. And then now, when him step out now, people are, all kind of voice note are sent around and all kind of things that say, yo, Elephant Man never did isolate himself. People are saying the day of Fontana, all kind of little excitement.
A little incident go down at the airport and as you can see a voice note come out where one of the custom officer at the airport saying some stuff where really hurt me because I said like, how this job being, you understand?
No, and it looks as if say the feds then find out, the police find out, the government find out, and they actually issued out a statement saying they are, they're going to charge the dancehall artists. And then Elephant Man, him put out FEMA apology.
Elephant Man, the energy god, sending some positive message your way. And I just want to say, I really sincerely apologize to the staff at the Sangsters International Airport and the Minister of Health and the people of Jamaica. I also want to apologize for any misunderstanding in the way I incorrectly completed the form. After my long journey, I actually put the last country I arrived from as the opposed to all the countries I attended in the last 6 weeks. Sorry for that. Drop asleep, you don't know. Then, I have spoken to the authorities and I am self-quarantined at home. I went directly home after leaving the airport and I have not left my house since. I ask for your complete understanding.
And let me just tell you something now. You see me tell you about Andrew Oldness, let me tell you, man, because let me just sit down and my mates people. You see, Andrew, as simple and cool as you see him be, Andrew savage, Andrew is shady. No bad things say him just 100% just sit down and smile and just like a little soft piece of punching bag, no? Do not think that is Andrew. So Andrew did in parliament now. And so while in the attack, Andrew decides I'm going to show a little word. And show a word him that if you call Elephant Man name, Andrew just said, yo, if you are not abiding by the rules and the regulations, you are a weak fence. No, you see when somebody like the Prime Minister said that, just know say that a film version of one big dirty stinking bad word. He not forgot telling you no outada. Just calling you a weak fence, he must say you think bleggy. He must say you not no sense. He must say you're good for nothing. He must say you not have no little upstandingness about you. And that's how it sound like. But yeah, Elephant Man apologized and I just hope say he will do better. He did mention say he was in the same flight as Ragging King. Ragging King come up on social media and say he might isolate himself, he might quarantine him on himself for 14 days. And I guess we just hope say he's actually doing that for real. Also, there's another entertainer that got in a problem, Bad Boy Trevor. Him they get in a problem because he, what did he do? He must keep pool party. Now, you know, right about now, the government has not even 10 people supposed to gather in any one place. And bad boy Trevor decides to keep pool party, the police them running in it and now he's going to get charged. So him and Elephant Man are going to get charged for not abiding by this new, all of these COVID laws and regulations. Whew. So what do you think about these two gentlemen burritos? What do you think about the Elephant Man? If you give him a blind or you think they just make a really, really bad move? Sound off below. Number 2, abusive relations. Me punching bag. No, this video, no, let me tell you this. This video did upset me so much to the point that I had to do a video just separate about it. Now you can check it out, I think, right here. So if you want to hear what I spoke about as it relates to that that viral video with this couple and they were, you know, in a...
You stop here, you. You feel like they're on a laugh and you don't want to deal with you.
So after the video went viral, then put out this video, apologize.
As you can see, me and my woman, my girlfriend, we're there from 2018. Today is my birthday, which is 2020. March 19, my birthday, my strong.
It never make no sense. I think I'm call the brother name because the brother basically did a promote for himself in the whole of that time. I'm going to call and spit on the whole of the apology there. And after that now, I put out the video and I say, yo, for do better, I don't know if I hear it and somebody talk to him and then put out a different video now. This video now...
Wally British, me no know you not tell no lie upon me because me think straight now to the police, them are ready. So me no want nobody feel say me, me no want you leave a walk and call up my name, say me I call you. Me even call you and I make you a ball, so you're lied. You're really lied.
Artist play a tune, man. See me, man.
Artist do us and put up it right now.
Artist play a tune, man. Who's Wally British?
Originally, you know, you said, people you must can see liars them, you see me? Yeah man, because snake around the grass have to come out for you, see them. But them can't poison with no venom, no day, no time. You get the pre?
Well, like I want to know, you know Wally British?
Yeah, so you see Wally British now, see the original him, and just beside there and she attack, you know. Get the pre? Them they lie, they just to get little views, you see me?
And then finally, them kind of at the third try, it looked like them eventually kind of get something close to apology and they release this.
Just really stop with man abusing woman. Stop violence against woman. Relationship, man and woman won't be.
So everyone, I guess you should know me by now. I'm the person who saw the video well, the media. I truly and sincerely apologize for all my actions. My different actions and everything is already dealt with. Yes, everyone has their time when demons, you know, come and corrupt their mind and put them evil to a different extent. But truly from heart to the whole police constabulary force, to the whole mass media, to the whole world, I deeply and truly apologize, and this will never happen again. And I will assure you, as an young artist, I was doing this music before it even come to this certain conflict, and someone took it and put it on the media and it went viral. I do apologize.
No, you see the way all people tend to play with the church something there, like anytime little troubles in your life, you just find the little church and use it to get forgiveness. So let me know what you thought of this couple. Do you think that they should still be together? Do you think them can work it out? And the better, I don't know, like, I would just hope say them get some counseling and that the abuse will be no more. Let me know what you thought of the viral video and this couple burritos. Sound off below.
Right about now, it's time for the big up segment. Look how the girls them sexy and young. Run, club. Sing along.
Well then, pick up the friend.
Alright, so first up I have to go and dig up the Alkaline Foundation and giving back recently during the whole corona pandemic. It's definitely a good look, and all the best to you and your foundation. Zine? Also I have to go and big up Ramesh from Ramesh Entertainment. He went live recently and I had a number of giveaways to his fans. Definitely a good look. Also I'm going to have to go and big up Team Jamaica once again, waving the flag high in these talent competitions. So we now have a representative in the UK's The Voice, as well as American Idol. Great look.
Watch your style, man. I intend to jet boss. I'm represent for social media account. You know the band is come down there. We make a money time for we in a bio.
And number one goes to Wally and Dexta. Woo! My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. So, I just on top about the video just now, Zine. So, in the middle of that, many social media personalities, you know, voiced their opinions online. One of them, one of the most prominent ones, was actually Wally British. Now, Wally British, she posted the video at first, you know, showing the little Mortal Kombat type of settings, and she posted it. She expressed herself and said that she didn't like what was happening, and she basically talked about why men seem to have the authority over women, where they feel like they can just use women as their punching bags. And so when she posted the video, this is what she said in the description. I'm tired of it. It's the culprit Kino Palmer .5. We need justice. Who knows this guy? What parish or neighborhood is this? I feel as though woman beaters should get the same treatment as child molesters. Let's find this guy and give him some justice. I want to pay the man them for beat him. Somebody please find him for there and make me load him up. So after Wally British posted that, Dexta Daps jumped in now and said this in the comments. So him say, I know women that killed men. WTF are you saying? Try to help people instead of executing them. Should you be allowed to kill a man or beat a man just because you are a woman? Please find another way other than execution. Wink. Ellipsis. Help our country and people. Ellipsis. Prayer hand, prayer hand, prayer hand, prayer hand. Oh, okay. So you see, after Dexta Daps said all of that, you know the woman them, you know, we make up a bunch of, probably 90% of his fan base right now. A lot of women weren't really appreciative of that sentiment, because people are saying, yo, how you kind of come in with this all lives matter type of sentiments when this is really a Black Lives Matter type of conversation. And so, I guess that prompted Dexta Daps now to go up on his social media now and drop this video.
Me always hear, woman beat man, man beat woman, but me never hear say, child, man. Me hear about man, child. It's a two different crime, right? When they use the same punishment as the two of them, I bet they just do that for every crime. So I'm just saying it wasn't making sense, you see, my friend. That's all. I wasn't even watching, I wasn't even looking at the video when I was responding to your message. I was looking at your caption. The video sick my stomach.
No, me don't know if that really clear up nothing about Wally British took once again back to social media to go and share fair sentiments to Dexta Daps. Pray.
Yeah, come on, go like I'm me alone, the things you're right. Taxi. If you see something like that and it pain you to the core of your stomach right away, there's that tell me something about you. Me don't know what to want to tell nobody else. And next thing again, you say, alright, you come start off the video, come try to turn it around and fix it like say, me I say, woman abusers for dead to or whatever the case may be. When you see something like that, my brother come run and come talk about the one or two woman who might lick one man somewhere. Bring the man come to the table, we can talk say, woman a beat him night and day. 1 million of them woman in my inbox and make me know say man a beat them night and day. Whether a poor make them can't left or a whatever case make them can't left. Whether them brainwash, whether they emotional or mental stress or whatever the case, them day night and can't left. Bring the man them to me. Me not talk about no woman we a beat man right now, because at the end of the day, percentage rate a 1 out of 100. 1 out of.
So then now Dexta Daps went back online again and said this.
No, Wally, no. What me understand is this. A typical woman speaks with her emotion. You see, a real woman speaks with logics. You understand? I think you were speaking with your emotion. So I was trying to get across to you as a fan and try correct that. You understand what I say? Not that me have bad up nobody. We don't know about no bad this. Yeah, I try to break something different to this. 2 different crimes. 2 different penalties. Simple. The weight is not the same. You can't do that. That's all I'm say.
It's nice to see Dexta Daps actually, you know, speaking out against the death of any male at all. Really commendable.
Long time we no kill a man.
To be honest, but actually get the argument. But do know that if you comment certain things, if you're that much of a fan, you can't just go send her a DM and express your concern. But when you comment there, you know, there's something, especially if you never did a comment on our video before, and that is your initial statement, it going to appear as if, hey, look at the big elephant in the room. Look at what we're really talking about. This is like a little sideshow thing. You can't talk about the little trivialities and the little nuances in the conversation. You can't talk about that at a later date. But right now, we are talking about how the woman I get beat up like a punching bag. That's what the focus is. And I think that is what made Wally very aggravated. Now, imagine right now if somebody did come to you, Dexta Daps, right? Somebody come to you, Dexta Daps, the promoter, and the promoter don't have your money. And you are talking about the fact that the man have your money all along, and he only give you 20%, and you work, and you do big show, and you bring all kind of fans to come at the man show. And when you reach there to the man will come mention and say, really? Are the black shoes they wear? You know, every time when you come in a meeting, they must wear on white shoes. And black shoes that you wear, I can't believe that. You're going to be like, them really box foot this. I want my money. How you come and talk about my attire not really dropping right here, so we can talk about that later. After you give me my money. That is what did get Wally British trick Dexta Daps. And you know it too. So that is it. So like, the both of you can write and but just to understand, say just the way or you jump in a conversation when people are trying to talk about something that is, you know, more pressing, and that would just get her pissed, okay? So let me know, Berrydos, are you team Dexta Daps or are you team Wally British? Me think so both of them have, you know, arguments where you can give them, you know, like a thumbs up for. But me think I'll just go with Wally British with the 1 year, okay? But let me know what you have to say, Berrydos. Comment down below. Well, that is it, peeps. We've come to the end of another Duttyberry Top 10 social media countdown. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the thumbs up button. Make sure to turn on the post notification as well as to leave a comment. Let me know what was your favorite part of the social media countdown. And do not forget to subscribe, especially the newbies them. Alright, if you want to follow me on social media, it is at TheDuttyBerryShow on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, everywhere. And to email me for promo in the social media countdown, send me a message to DuttyBerryShow@gmail.com. Take care until next time and keep Corona free.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth.